Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mighty Sites, which is a simple small business website builder to create a website for your fence contractor business. So all you need to do, visit mightysites.com. There's a 7-day free trial. It's only $9 a month. So you heard that right. It's $9 a month. A really cheap and easy way to have a professional website. Select the fence contractor website template to get started. It's going to ask you for your name and email, and then you put in your business name. So I'm just going to put in Keegan's Fence Contractor for simplicity, and then you put in where you're located. I'm going to put Denver, Colorado, and then type of business. I'm going to select service business because this is a service provided. And then when I click continue, you're going to see that the system is going to automatically generate a simple professional template for my website business. So you can see just like that, or for my fence contractor business. So you can see just like that, as a fence contractor, you have a lot of jobs to do, busy time, right? Just like that, this website template was automatically generated for your business without you having to do anything. So from there, you can obviously just use this right as it is, okay? So, and then you can see on mobile, this is all built to be mobile friendly. So if I just change the dimensions here, you can see how nice this looks. This image has a nice fence here, white picket fence, sort of typical. And then there's all these pictures that are built to look really good on mobile too, knowing a lot of people are going to visit your website on their smartphone. So from here, now you can take it as is, or you can start to make some simple edits and pretty much be done with your website for your fence contractor business or fence building business in just a matter of minutes. So the first thing you might want to do is change colors. So I can go over here, I can play around with all of the different pre-built colors and just find one that I feel like really fits for the look I'm going for. So it doesn't really matter which color I choose here for the example, but you can go through all these different color designs and just pick one that really makes sense for your brand and your look and kind of the look you want to have in your area, and just pick one that makes sense. We've got new colors being added all the time. So for now, I'll just kind of select the black and white version, but you can select whichever makes sense for you. So the next thing I'll do, go here to update section. And of course I want people to be able to get in touch with me, but this is how easy it is to edit your site too. So I just type in my email address. I'm going to select for this to show on the website. Now my email is there. I'm going to select my phone number. So I'm just going to put in my phone number. You can see it comes with a little phone icon, makes it easy for people, and I've added that to my website. Now, if I have any social media, like a Facebook page, I can copy and paste over the link to my Facebook page too. So there we go. There's my Facebook page. So I can save that and close. And now if I click on this, it'll open up to my Facebook page. I just put in a dummy link, but you would copy and paste in your link and it'll open right up to your Facebook page. Then I can go here and I can update any of this. So if I want to update the menu, like add more navigation items, and just type in the text I want it to say, where I want it to link to. So another website, different part of my website, an action item like call me, or if I want to upload a PDF, I can do that too. And then here's the logo section. So I'm going to browse right here and you can upload a logo. You can leave this as text too. But if you do have a logo, it's a good idea to add that there. So I'm just find a logo here on my computer. So I'm just going to search through. I'll find a Mighty Sites logo. There we go. And upload this. So I'll give that a second to upload. Click on save. Now you can see my logo shows up there, and then these buttons. Again, this is a really easy to use website builder. So I can click on make it bigger, click on make it smaller. And then I can actually click on this pencil here too to make edits. So there's all types of picture and logo editing tools built right into the system. So if you upload logos or images and you want to change them, so I think I'll just crop this a little bit, just gets rid of some of that white space around it, and then just click done. It'll re-upload it. And then I'm just going to click on save, and you can see, there we go. My logo is really clear and visible now. So that was pretty easy to do too. If I want to make any changes to the hero text too, I can just go over here to update section, and let's just say I want this to say something less here, maybe just fence installation and repair company, right? We just want it to say something like that. It's really easy to type in and edit. Really like specializing in aluminum fence, vinyl fence, wood fences. Request a free no obligation quote. Maybe I just want that to say request a free quote. I could do something like that too. And then I choose where this links. So you can have that, link to have people call you if they click on it, or automatically open an email. I like to have that link to the lead form section on the site. So I'm just going to put it there and click save. And so now if somebody comes to my website and they click on this button, it brings them right here so they can submit themselves and start the conversation with my business. So I really like to do it that way. Now, if you want to change any of these text or images, it works the same way. Browse and upload your new picture or image. Looks like there's a slight edit to make there. So I'm just going to say Keegan's Contractor. So again, I can add the comma, take it away. If you want to edit any of this, you can do that. But if you just want to type in something new here too, you can just type in, this is how you make a website for a fence contractor. So you can see, really easy to just type that in, save it, close, and now I can edit any of the text. I can make it bold or link, any of those things too. So once this is ready, you can always click up here on top to stop editing. And now you can just kind of visualize what it looks like without those update section buttons. And you can see within just a couple minutes, I've just created a professional website for a fence contractor that you can use as your online business card to drive sales for your business. And I can just go right in here, just add my name, add my email, phone number. And so this is what someone would do if they're on your website. I would like to build a new fence. So you can see, type that in, and then when they click send, it's going to automatically send that message to your business, and then you will get an email letting you know that you have a new lead. And then once you go to click on the email, you can go to your site dashboard and you'll see a new lead in your system. And this is where you can go and find the contact information, the details of what they're asking, and then help you close deals. So a lot of businesses find that a website is a great way to collect new leads for their business. It's your online business card, helps drive sales for you. There's another CTA button here too, call to action button. I'm going to activate editing mode, and I actually like to link that one to a phone number too. So knowing a lot of people visit websites on smartphones, just make that click to call. So if they're on my website, they click on that, it'll automatically call my business. So just like that, within a couple minutes. Again, this is only $9 a month. There's a link below for a free trial. So click on that link and you can have a free trial, test this out. It's only $9 a month, and see if you can create in just a few minutes a simple professional website for your fence contractor business. Wishing you the best of luck.